See, the lamp was mounted like this here. There's a screw. I'm not sure you can see or not, but there's a screw. You need to unscrew this screw. Okay, all the way. You cannot take it out, but you have to lift it up a little bit. After that, you need to push the plastic assembly to this way and take it out. Push it this way. Just you can use flat driver. There we go. Take it out. Okay, we take it out. We're gonna mount our lamp back right to the same location, just like that. Okay, we don't need this anymore. Okay, so also there's a thing that here's how we mount it. We mount it like this, and we add the aluminum foil here. If you look at really carefully on this one, this actually can be removed and put it back. This small thing, let me see here. This small bracket, there are two tiny screws on each side, right? Take it out. Take it out. Okay. Then you take it out. See? You don't need this anymore, okay? So that way we're gonna mount it like this. Alright, perfect. Then you can, if you want to, you can always put it back. Let me see here. Yeah, you still can put it back. So I'm gonna peel off. Make sure it's pushed all the way up. Okay. So you can peel off one at a time. Let me make sure this thing is exactly the same or long. Yeah. Okay. Just do like this. Peel off. Okay. There we go. Okay. Push all the way up. You don't want to block this because we put the back up this two small clip here because we're gonna put it back this. If you want to put it back, that's fine. But just let you know that. Get the power. Okay, done. We're gonna put this thing back. Yeah, there's a clip. Here we go. Put the two tiny screws back. And then